Hey, Dan here. Welcome to the video. Quick one today. Bitmex trading opportunity. You could see the curve right here on Bitmex, and I plotted this out for you so you guys could take a look. If the range EQ is broken to the upside, then we'll be looking for a long right now after or on the retest after rejection of the 4-hour order block, the bearish order block. So it's been proven to be pretty difficult to break, but we're going to stay patient here and we're going to keep the Bitmex trading signals going strong. We have almost 100% success rate in our premium group. We also have a free group that you can join using the link below, and I'll leave the link so you could see the TradingView chart in view only mode in the description below as well. So if you haven't created an account on Bitmex, make sure check out the link below. You'll save 10% fees for the year if you use that link, and then you can get access to our free group. And I encourage you to join the premium group because we're doing a 0.25 BTC to 1 BTC challenge in the next couple weeks. So make sure hit that subscribe button on the channel, visit the links below, get started, get ready for the challenge, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.